Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonates with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's reading is about the October monthly prediction for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. So, let's see, Aquarius, what angels have in store for you in the month of October. So, we will look into the messages from the angels' answers, from the life purpose, and the romance angels later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So, Aquarius, from the tarot deck, we have for you the Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Then we have Five of Swords. Okay. We have the World card. Okay. Then we have the Four of Pentacles. We have the Strength card. Okay. We have the King of Pentacles. We have the Four of Swords. We have the Seven of Cups. And we have the King of Cups. Okay. Okay, so Aquarius, I feel that the month of October, it is going to be about new beginnings and success. Yes, and I see a lot of financial success for you people. Yes. So Aquarius, I feel that, in the month of October, yes, starting with your love life, yes, someone new is going to come into your life in the month of October. And yes, I feel that some of you might be confused about whether to choose like your career, or go for a relationship, or also some of you might be considering some options. Maybe you have a lot of could be like two persons could be offering you love from the in at the same time. And also I feel that Aquarius, some of you have ended your relationship recently, yes, or in the recent past as well, yes. And some of you could be single as well. Yes, a lot of you could be single as well. So yes, I also see that some of you could even get married as well in the month of October. Yes, because I see that a phase in your life is coming to an end, and new phase is going to start into your life. Yes, and as you move into that new phase in the month of October, that new person is going to come towards you to offer you their love, or you could be offering your love. You could be expressing your love towards them as that new person comes into your life. And yes, I see that some of you could be getting married as well. And for those of you who are already in a relationship, I see that your relationship is going to improve. Yes, it is blooming as well. You could be thinking to take your relationship to the next level. Yes, possibly marriage as well. Yes. And for those of you who are already married, I see that you could be thinking of pregnancy I think you people, some of you could be already pregnant as well, and I see that yes, there is going to be a birth of a child in the month of October. Yes, and also, there is a lot of success in your life. Yes, and you people are also becoming uh, you know uh, very strong, and your health is also going to improve a lot in the month of October. Yes, you people are becoming very confident. Yes, and also you people are going to feel, that joy and that uh, peace from within as well. Yes, now, in your work life, I feel that Aquarius, yes, there, you could be working really hard. You could be worried about your finances in the month of October, and I feel that there are uh, so many manipulative people at your workplace, and there are clashes of ego at your workplace. Yes, but as you move forward in the month of October, yes, a new phase is going to start into your life. Yes, you are moving into a new phase, and I feel that some of you might even travel um, for your work, or even travel abroad as well for some work opportunities. Yes, and you are becoming very confident and very, you know you are going to have that inner strength. You are becoming very solid as well. Yes, and also you people are going to reap financial rewards for all the hard work that you have done recently. Yes, I see that you people are becoming financially very sound and very secure as well. Yes, and you know uh, you you people are financially very secure, and also I see that for few of you, it could be like, you could be thinking of making some investments as well in the month of October. Yes, some of you could be thinking of buying a home as well. Yes, so I see that someone is going to give you that financial advice as well. Possibly a male person could be giving you that financial advice. Yes, and yes, a very very good period is going to start into your life, in your love life, in your career as well, in your finances, your money as well. Yes, you people are going to have a lot of financial success in the month of October. Really, wow. And also I feel that as you have been a lot could have been going on in your life, so I feel that you people need to relax and rest as well. Yes, because a lot could be going on in your head, and some of you might also get some uh, creative projects as well. Yes, um, some of you might even get some opportunities, partnership opportunities as well. Yes, because financially a very good time is coming into your life. You are entering into a period of prosperity, Aquarius. Yes, so yes, you need to rest and relax as well. uh, some of you might even need to start doing meditation as well, because that is also going to help you not only physically but also at your area of work, because you have because I feel that you are doing a lot of hard work. So yes, meditation is going to help you in all areas of your life, Aquarius. Yes. And also one thing I feel that, for some of you, um, those who are in love, like who are waiting for their partner, or could be in love, like I feel that this could be a same gender relationship for few of you. Yes. And that, that new person, whoever is single and waiting for their partner, I feel that that new person would be like very emotionally available, very connected to their emotions, and also that person is going to be very creative. Yes. And very loving as well. Yes. A very beautiful person, very loving person as well. Yes. And yes, those of you who are in relationship, who are single as well, yes, you people could get married in the month of October. Now let's see what messages we have for you um, in from the romance angels. Okay. I feel that you people, Aquarius, you are becoming very impatient, and you people also wanted to know what is you know what is coming for you. Like maybe some of you have been waiting for someone new. Yes. And because as I was shuffling for your reading, the cards kept falling out. So that gave me a feeling, that you people are really impatient. So you do not need to worry, as you are going to have that success in your love life, in your work life as well. Now let's see in details what angels have in store for you in your love life. So we have for you, Aquarius, new love. Okay. Then we have pay attention to the red flags. Okay. Then we have soulmate. Okay. We have engagement. Wow. Then we have reconciliation. Okay. So I feel that, Aquarius, yes, angels, they are guiding you that you need to you know look into the signs that is um, you know that are guiding you, that you know that you're that the person, yes, whom you might be thinking of starting your new future with, yes, that person might not be healthy for you. Yes. Maybe you need to let go of that person if you are in an unhealthy relationship. And with the reconciliation, I feel that rather than someone returning from your past, I feel that you people are going to make peace with your past, and you people are going to you know finish some unfinished business with your past, and you are going to let go of anything that you have been holding on in your heart and mind from your past. Any memories, anything, you are going to heal yourself energetically as well as emotionally, and you are going to move forward into that bright new future. And as you move forward, I feel that someone new is going to come into your life, and that new person is also going to create that spark in your heart, that romantic feelings. And angels, they are guiding you that yes, that person is your soulmate. For those of you who are already in a relationship, in a healthy relationship, yes, angels, they are guiding you that that person is your soulmate, Aquarius. And also, some of you, yes, you people could be taking your relationship to the next level. yes, into, that person is going to offer you that deeper commitment. Yes, a very good period in your love life. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the life purpose, and how is your career going to be like in the month of October. So we have for you school. Okay, then we have travel. Yes, there are travel in your life in the month of October. Then we have crystals. Okay, we have counseling as well. Okay, and we have speaker. Okay, so yes, Aquarius, some of you, as you have several options in your work life as well, some of you might be thinking of, could be confused about which path is right for you, which career is right for you. So maybe some of you, could be thinking of even, changing your path of career as well. Yes, and angels, they are guiding you that, some of you could be, yes, could become a teacher as well. And yes, because we have the school card, yes, some of you could be start teaching. And also you could be a speaker as well. You could be sharing your experiences to other people, and also heal other people, to heal as well. Some of you could be a counselor, because angels, they are, they want you to know that some of you have that healing ability within yourself, and you help people to heal with your kind words, with your wise advice as well. Yes, and some of you could have some, healing energy, and you have that connection with crystals and gemstones. Some of you could be working in these fields as well. Yes, and you help people to heal with your healing power, your healing ability that you have within you, Aquarius. Yes, and also, yes, travel is included. Maybe it could be like some of you could get married and travel with your partner. Yes, and also you people are going to travel for your work, or even I feel that, some of you could even go to another country as well, for, you know to go and start working there. Yes, uh, could be related to your work. Yes, you people could go abroad as well, I feel that. Now let's see what guidance we have for you from the angels answers. So Aquarius, we have for you abundance. Wow. Then we have success. Yes, and we have romance. Okay, so yes, Aquarius, angels, they want you to know that yes, abundance is coming into your life, and you are going to, feel that sense of security. You'll have that sense of security about your future. Yes, financially you are going to be very stable. Yes, and you know uh, also your health and your, love life is also going to be full of, yes, it is also going to be successful. Yes, and also angels, they are guiding you that you people are on the road to success. Yes, in the month of October, but you need to, yes, you need to take care of yourself, because you people are working really hard, I feel that. And you know just don't wear yourself out by working too hard. Yes, um, and also yes, we have the new love card from the romance angels as well. So yes, new relationship is could have just recently entered as well, or it is going to come into your life. Yes, and you people are going to have a lot of romance in your life. Yes, and also, for those of you who are already in a relationship, yes, your relationship is going to have that, you know romance, and you people could go on travel, on holiday, some trips together. Yes, and also I see that with this card, uh you know that trust that we have in relationships, yes, trust is also going to grow in your relationship, Aquarius. Yes, and you people are moving into the next level in your love life. Yes, and yes, you people are going to have a lot of abundance coming into your life. Yes, and also abundance could be, in financial terms, and of course you have, a lot of financial abundance, but it could also be about, having that romance and that love. Yes, and also in your health. And also I see that, you people are going to have a lot of, friends. You people will be coming into the connection of lot of positive people as well in the month of October. So yes, that was all for you, Aquarius. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Aquarius. I hope you all have a good day, and I hope you all have a great month full of abundance and success in your life. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.